got a pretty good little picture of him. You can see this guy has a really, really big block head. We're not going to be able to get away with giving him a little neck. So let's go ahead and see if we can draw this picture real quick, okay? Let me see. I'm gonna bring the bottom of his jaw out a little bit more here, because I'm gonna cartoon it. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna do something like this. And we gotta give him a huge neck, like out here. Okay, let's go ahead and draw those boots. Remember the boot? We got the eyebrows being shaped like boots, so we'll do like this. See my boots? Okay, and then we're gonna draw the eyes here. Remember, we're gonna do the tree leaves, right? Okay, now with these tree leaves, what are we gonna do with them, okay? Now we could go with I could actually go with a square, like cut out a square here and just use two squares if I want to. In fact, let me see here. Let's just do this here. We're gonna do some small tree leaves. And I think they're gonna be kind of straight across, so. Okay, and then we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna add some accent lines around the eyes here. Now, let's look at his nose. His nose is not even, okay? It points down, but it is round, okay? So his shape will do something like this. You see that? Down and round. All right? So now we can do this. Okay? And then we'll go ahead and we'll draw the mouth. Okay, and then we got this little, I'm gonna make some really thin lines here for this. Okay, and I'm just about done, guys. All right. That looks tight right there. I like it. All right. So we pretty much got our drawing down to a science here. And now all we have to do is color those eyebrows in just a little bit. And then let me do a little bit of shading, guys. Hey, what's going on? Oh, I'm doing Thanos from the Avengers. Actually, you just caught me at the end of the stream too, because I actually have to go to church at about 7 o'clock. So, and I'm an usher, so I gotta be like, hello, happy to see you. It's a fun job, you know, somebody's gonna do it. All right, so let's go ahead and just do a little bit of shading on this drawing. But thanks for coming to join the stream. Glad to have you here, my good man. It's really nice to have you. Okay. All right, and now we're just about done here, guys. Just about. I'm thinking about doing a late night stream tonight too, guys. So just a heads up, I might do something late night tonight. We might pick out something, talk about some world issues while we draw. You know. Hey, awesome, man. Church is the place to be. I like going there because, well, I'm not perfect. Yeah. But yeah, we have a pretty good time at church. Tonight's gonna be like a pretty much just like a prayer thing we do on Wednesday nights, and then we hear a little bit of the word. You know, it's not a long service like Sunday. Sunday our service is a little long, but I enjoy being there. So. All right, so pretty much, guys, there we have it. That's my my quick cartoon drawing of Thanos from the Avengers. Hope you guys like that little tutorial, a little demonstration. I'm let you guys check it out real quick so maybe you can draw one at home. I forgot to do this part right here. Excuse me, guys. This is real important. Okay. All right, guys. So that's our probably going to be our final drawing for this particular stream. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.